Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to introduce a traditional and seasonal drink in summer. I'm going to use this. Have you ever seen it? This is Aka-Shiso. I'm going to make syrup with it and mix it with soda. The flavor is refreshing and very tasty. I hope this video will be helpful and interesting for you. Yes, let's go! This is 300 grams Aka-Shiso. Aka means red color in Japan, and shiso is one of Japanese herb. Actually, this is also used for making umeboshi to add red color and flavor. I'm going to separate the leaves and stems. I use only the leaves. This fragrance is unique and so good, and it makes me feel like summer. Okay, I've separated the leaves and stems. These leaves are very fresh and beautiful purple. Then I wash them to get rid of the sand from the leaves. Okay. And I drain a sieve. Good. This is 500 grams water. I turn on the fire, and I heat until it begins to boil. Once it begins to boil, turn down the heat. Then I add the Aka-Shiso into the pot. I pile up them. Perhaps you may think they are too much, but it's okay. The leaves will shrink when they are boiled, and I'd like to make thick syrup for making Aka-Shiso Soda. And then I press them to soak the boiling water. Please look the right side. The color of the leaves turned from purple to green. When the leaves are heated, the purple color transfers to the boiling water, and the flavor transfers to it as well. I turn them over. When almost the leaves turn green color, the water becomes dark purple. Once the all leaves turn green color, I turn off the heat. And drain a sieve. The nice smell spreads throughout the room, and the looks are completely different from before. Okay. I'm going to squeeze them to extract the flavor from Aka-Shiso. Good. Beautiful ruby color of Aka-Shiso juice is done. I return it to the same pot. And I reheat it until it begins to boil. Once it begins to boil, I skim off the foam. When I scoop it, turn down the heat. Then I add the 150 grams sugar into the pot. And I stir it to dissolve the sugar. Okay, I turn off the heat. Aka syrup is done. I keep it in the fridge to chill. Yes, it's completely chilled. Let's make Aka-Shiso Soda. I add ice to the glass, and I open the soda. I pour it 150 grams, and I add 5 grams vinegar, or we can use lemon juice instead of it. And then I add 60 grams Aka-Shiso syrup. Looks so beautiful, and this syrup goes great with soda. Yes, let's drink it. The taste is refreshing and very good. It's perfect for summer. Nice. Thank you. Actually, this was my first time introducing drink. How was it? I'm sure drink is an also essential part of food culture. In the future, I'll introduce about drinks more. And I'd like to know your country's traditional or popular drinks too. If you like, please let me know. And if you have a plan to come to Japan in summer, please try Aka-Shiso Soda. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.